Welcome to my channel, the BRIOWIN, the future of products. What's up guys, welcome to my channel, the BRIOWIN. So in this video we are introducing the top 5 best dash cam in 2023. Introducing the dash cam, your vigilant road companion. Designed to capture every moment of your journey, the dash cam ensures your safety and provides invaluable evidence in case of accidents. With its high-definition recording capabilities and wide-angle lens, it documents the road ahead with crystal clarity. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. Links of these products are in the description below. So let's get started the video. Number 5. Thinkware X1000. The Thinkware X1000 is a premium dashcam designed to offer advanced features and reliable performance for your vehicle. In this 1-minute review, I'll highlight its key features and benefits. The Thinkware X1000 comes equipped with a high-quality 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing exceptionally clear and detailed video recordings of your driving experiences. Its wide-angle lens captures a broader view of the road, enhancing your overall situational awareness. One of the standout features of the X1000 is its Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, which includes features like lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and more. These functions help enhance your safety by alerting you to potential hazards and promoting safer driving habits. Parking mode is another significant feature of the Thinkware X1000. It utilizes motion detection and impact sensors to record incidents even when your vehicle is parked. This can be crucial for capturing hit-and-run incidents or parking lot accidents. The X1000 also offers built-in GPS functionality, allowing you to track your vehicle's location and speed alongside the video footage. Number 4. Vantrue E2. The Vantrue E2 is a compact dashcam designed to capture your driving experiences with clarity and ease. It features a sleek and unobtrusive design, making it suitable for mounting on your car's windshield without obstructing your view. With its full HD 1080p resolution and a wide-angle lens, the Vantrue E2 offers clear and detailed video recording of your journeys. It can capture important details like license plates and road signs, which can be crucial in case of accidents or disputes. One notable feature of the E2 is its loop recording, which means it will continuously overwrite older footage when the storage is full, ensuring you always have the latest footage available. The built-in G-sensor also detects sudden movements or impacts, prompting the camera to lock and protect the current recording, preventing it from being overwritten. The dashcam also comes with a parking mode that uses motion detection to start recording when any movement is detected around your parked vehicle. This can be useful for capturing incidents that might occur when your car is stationary. The E2 is simple to set up and use, with intuitive controls and an easy-to-navigate menu. It supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards, sold separately, giving you ample storage for your recordings. Number 3. Nexar Pro. A real bonus with the Nexar Pro system is that it combines this camera setup with the useful features. This means you get free cloud storage for your growing collection of driving videos, GPS data capture for helping with insurance claims, plus some neat tools inside the camera and app combination. You'll need to step up to the latest Nexar 1 model to gain the benefit of 4K video, but the 1080p Full HD present here is perfectly serviceable. The Nexar Pro dashcam is a step up from the slightly cheaper Nexar Beam, and that's because it's mainly aimed at pro drivers. This includes people who drive for a living or who spend longer periods of time behind the wheel. It's not actually that much more expensive than the Beam model, but there's certainly more inside the box, including 2 cameras. The main one is your front-facing dash cam, while the smaller unit is for monitoring the interior. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a compact and reliable device that excels at capturing high-quality footage while on the road. Its small size ensures it won't obstruct your view, while still providing clear 1080p resolution video recordings. The wide-angle lens effectively captures a broad perspective of your surroundings, aiding in documenting incidents and accidents. The Dashcam Mini 2 features impressive parking mode capabilities, which means it can record events even when your vehicle is parked and turned off. It utilizes motion detection and impact sensors to automatically start recording and save footage when it detects any significant motion or impact near your parked vehicle, while lacking some of the more advanced features of larger dash cams, such as built-in GPS or a screen for live viewing. The Dashcam Mini 2 focuses on essential functions and ease of use. It's easy to set up and operate, making it a great choice for those seeking a hassle-free dash cam experience. Overall, if you're looking for a compact, reliable, and user-friendly dashcam that doesn't compromise on video quality, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a solid option. Number 1. Nextbase 622 GW. The Nextbase 622 GW is a top-of-the-line dashcam that offers a wide range of features and impressive capabilities. The Nextbase 622 GW is a premium dashcam designed to provide exceptional video quality and advanced features for capturing your driving experiences. It boasts a 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear video footage that can capture even the smallest details on the road. One standout feature is the emergency SOS function, which can automatically call emergency services and provide your location in the event of a serious accident. This adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind for drivers. The dashcam's built-in Alexa integration allows for hands-free voice control, enabling you to control the device, play music, check the weather, and more without taking your hands off the wheel. The 622 GW also includes a polarizing filter, which helps reduce glare and reflections on the windshield, leading to clearer recordings even in challenging lighting conditions. With its 140-degree wide-angle lens, the dashcam offers a broad field of view, capturing not only the road ahead but also the surrounding environment. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through settings and footage playback directly on the device. Thanks for watching the video. The links to the products mentioned in the video are available in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon.